Monster Parts RC.
So, I came to home to find out that a tiny box from Singapore has arrived on my doorstep. And I think it came a little earlier than I was expecting it to. But what I think it is my 1/64th scale drift chassis that's designed to go with Hot Wheels. Now, my buddy Mark Toe over at the 1/64th scale drifting group on Facebook makes this chassis, and I do believe that this is it. I haven't opened the box yet, so let's see what's in the box and what it is. That's what this is. Oh, okay, plastic bag. Interesting. Oh, that's nice. Monster-like. Open this up. That's cool. You can carry it around. I like that. Let's see what's in the box. And yes, it is my 1/64 scale chassis. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Monster definitely like. This is designed with a adjustable wheelbase, so you can pick different scale, different size Hot Wheels to go along, bodies to go on it. The top deck and the suspension parts are all 3D printed, as you can see. And it seems to have magnets already mounted for the body. And I see in here, looks like you get a bag of magnets and replacement screws, just in case. Nice. So, the chassis seems to have a pair of gears on the axle, and I think that's so you can flip the gearbox over and run a high-mounted motor or mid-mounted motor the way it is. It has a 1.7 gram linear servo, and you're supposed to use a micro receiver with a gyro built into it that's going to go into this space here. I'm going to be using my FlySky NB4 and the receiver that goes along with that with the built-in gyro. But front suspension, actual spring-loaded front suspension. It's got a rear suspension. The bottom chassis, ooh, is machined out of carbon fiber. Oh, that's cool. And in here is the battery location. That's where the battery goes, in that opening there. And this is the microscopic ESC that it comes with. This is going to be wicked. I can't wait to get this up and running. So, I just got this in, so I will keep everyone posted. In the meantime, this is just an unboxing. Oh, bearing raced front wheels. Oh, nice. Okay, Monster Lake, Monster out.